Hi, this is Miss Caitlin, the teen librarian at the main branch of Lafayette Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chainmail out of recycled soda can tabs. So first things first, what you're going to need to make this work are some soda can tabs. The more you have, the better. Ribbon, string, yarn, anything along those lines, and some scissors to tie it off at the end. Once we're done, you might want to get fancy with it. Add some paint, cross your strings, add a few charms, or even a second row, maybe more, depending on how you want your chainmail to look at the end. So, let's get started. First, I have my two ribbons here. I don't know if you can see them on the red tablecloth. And then I'm going to get my tabs out ready to go. So the important part here is that all the tabs are facing the same direction. So I'm going to line them up on the table that way so that I can see them as I'm weaving. If any of your tabs have a little ring right here, you're going to want to bend it back or cut it off, however works best for you. Just make sure that they're not there, they will get in the way. Oh look, here's one. All right, I've got them all laid out, and as you can see, I have taped the ends of the ribbon, and that is just to make it easier to put it through the holes in the soda can tabs. You don't have to do this if you want to weave it without it, that's perfectly fine too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my first one, and I'm just going to put the strings through both sides of it and pull it pretty far down the string. Easy enough. Okay, so the next one is going to go on top of this one. What I like about this is that it's always easy to know where the next one goes. If the ribbon is coming from the top, you put it on top of the last one. If the ribbon is coming from the bottom, you put it underneath the last one you just added. So I've got it on top of the one that I just added, and I've got the holes lined up. And I'm going to put it through both tabs to come back down. Just like that. Okay, and as you can see, it kind of looks like this. And again, like I said, since the ribbon is on the bottom now, you're going to add the next tab underneath it. So we're going to line up the holes again, and then we're going to pull the ribbon from the bottom back up through to the top. I am keeping my ribbon from crossing, but if you wanted to cross it and make it crisscrossed to add a little bit of interest, that works too. All right, as you can see, I've got 3 now. And again, like I said, the ribbon is now on the top. So I'm going to line up the next one on the top of the one that I just added and string the ribbon through. Okay. We're gonna do one more, just so you can see one more time. All right, so this is the one I just added. The ribbon is underneath, so we're gonna add the tab underneath the one that I just added. So up through the center of both tabs. Just like that. Okay. So that's what it looks like as we're going along. I have one here that I finished and jazzed up a little bit. You can see how it looks once you've gotten it further along. I also made one wherein I attached 2 rows of the things together, and you can see here that I have 2 rows of the over-unders. This is the over-under part here and the over-under part here, and then I laced the 2 rows together basically like shoelaces. And like you can see here, any kind of lacing works. This is plastic. We used ribbon earlier. So let's get to weaving. Thank you for joining me. Bye.